Hey guys, so I want you to tell me if you think pouring inside a garage after it's already built like this is easier or harder than if the garage isn't built. Now this video is going to show you just what it takes when you're pouring inside the garage and your access is only at the front garage doors. So down in the comments, let me know if you've poured garage floors like this, or just if you've never poured concrete before, if this looks difficult to you and why it looks difficult, and we'll talk about it in the comments. Thanks.
Just turn into 3 trucks, man, that's it?
It figured right at 21, so it could turn into 3. Most only take 16.
Yep.
So easy?
Yeah. I said I don't want to do it all, I don't want to do it all. I don't want to bust my nut out.
Still about an inch low over there, huh? Okay. You try to empty them right by the pin, see. Where is it, out back? Okay. Yeah.
A lot now. My at least at 6'2".
Did you get a new sweatshirt?
No, I don't get it. I don't have no new sweatshirt.
Jeez.
Oh, he was whining. I don't have a new sweatshirt like you. I have to go to Salvation Army and find what I can find.
You gotta work for good contractors. They give out shirts and stuff.
I know. They don't good with luck, I guess.
Times are tough, man.
I hit the Salvation Army right before I go to the suitcase.
You do?
Particular spot you want me to wash down, Mr. Contractor?
I think just right in the driveway somewhere, Brian. I think so, unless you see where they washed out before. We'll do it.
I don't see any other spots, so I'm thinking across the street in that stove so that other truck can get by.
Well, you think so. I don't know if that's their property.
That guy right there? Yeah. No, he's gone.
Just do it right there, we'll wait. No, Brian, do wherever you think is okay, I'm sure. You ain't got hardly anything in there anyway.
That's what's in the shoe.
Yeah, that's fine. We just want to make you happy, bud.
Wow, I wish that guy was here.
We're about happy.
I don't know where the guy went.
Gotta get you a sweatshirt.
Never around when you want him.
Now, he might not know. I'm coming.
He's running the job. That guy that was here.
Yeah.
Hello, Sticky.
Yeah, see, now you're right in the way.
As usual.
You leave it for a little bit. We'll get the crete poured out. Good job. How'd it feel?
Feels good. That working out? Thanks, Dale. Working on.
I'm gonna get a little bit right there.
Yeah. I just want to fix our plastic a little bit.
Avi, if you get a sec, can you raise that up a little bit, please? Raise the chute up a little bit, please. Cool. Good, Harvey. Thank you. Still coming. Let me screw one on top of that one. Cut him off. Side loop?
Yeah.
Things that make me cry, Joey. Is it time to have a problem?
It was around here somewhere, yeah. There it is.
Yep.
Brian's setting up already.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm good on the side.
Up and over.
I'll get out of the way. Go ahead. You need right? You're good. That'd be nice. Feel like that one's a few seconds faster than the other one.
Yeah, you
Can't even keep up with you guys. Huh?
What'd you say?
I feel like that one's a few seconds faster doing a bay like that.
Well, that thing had it rated out perfect, so that's why I could just, they need bigger bolt claw. Bigger bolt claw.
Yeah, we probably do.
I mean, when that's ugly was like right off.
Yeah, when it's perfect, it just, I mean, that was literally like 15 seconds.
Can you run over there again? Wait a minute.
That cone is really low. It probably could use a little bit.
Get the hell out of the way.
We can run a little bit. Run over that. You want to run it the last time? I stole you. Stole his glory.
If I took a picture of you running it and sent it to Jim and said, Javi wants one of these now, would that piss him off?
He just went for it. Yeah, it might piss him off.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I like my 10 to 14 foot screen on there too. Yeah.
Can we just check that one real quick?
That's what I was.
Straight down one spot.
Yeah, pretty good.
I want to leave them on there or cut them off.
I don't know. That sun comes up. Probably warm up pretty nice. Probably actually get warmer in there without them.
Mike, you want us to put this on this?
Sure. I think I'm getting it back today, but you never know. It's just a hose. I gotta get some, you know what would work better than that cooking spray for that is the just Dawn dish detergent in a spray bottle.
Yeah.
And then it won't be quite so sticky.
We'll get the. They have that foaming one.
Right. That'd work better, cleaning.
Clean it up. Now I get the smell cooking. It's gonna make me hungry.